meron pong OWA scholarship na available. Ang deadline po nito ay sa August 16, 2024 kasi may mga nagsimula na ang pasukan pero baka pwede pa po kayong humabol hanggang August 16 po ang application nito, no? Yung mga dependents po ng OFWs ang hinihikayat ng OWA na mag-apply ng sa mga scholarship programs nito, no? Ito ay meron tayo nung sa Education for Development Scholarship Program at saka OFW Dependent Scholarship Program. So from July 26 yan hanggang August 16. So meron pa kayong 10 araw ba? 9 na araw na lang kasi August 7 na pala ngayon, ano? Open for qualified OFWs, children and dependents, or a sibling of a single active OWA member. Okay? Incoming grade 12 or an incoming college freshman, not more than 21 years old. Para sa akin, dapat tanggalin na yung age limit na yan. Bakit? Mga bata lang ba ang may karapatang magkolehiyo at magkaroon ng scholarship? Tanggalin na yan. Ako yung na yan yung i-recommenda ko sa sa OWA. Susulat ako diyan para para mapakinggan tayo. General weighted average of 80%. Okay na rin yan. Sige, pasado lang. Hindi mo kailangang mataas. No failing grades. For incoming freshmen, the selection of scholars is determined through the DOST national examinations. No? Second to fifth year of college, yung makakover, not more than 30 years old. Tanggalin ng mga age limit. Huwag tayo maging ages, mga ate. Yung mga grade weighted average natin, no? Not lower than 85% equivalence in all academic and non-academic subjects during the last school year attended. Ay, naku, para sa akin, basta pumasa, carry na yun. Kailangan 85. Scholars to receive minimum of 60,000 per school year until they complete a 4 to 5 year baccalaureate course. Sa totoo lang, 60,000 na yan ay hindi naman siya kalakihan, pero at least makakatulong. Ano? Ayun, yung sa ODSP natin, yung OFW Dependent Scholarship Program ng OWA, ang qualified dependents nito, qualified dependents of OFWs will receive a monthly salary of not more allowance, no, of not more than $600. Who receive, no? So dapat kayo ay OFW na ang salary ninyo ay less than $600 or 34,000 pesos per month, no? At mag-enroll or are currently enrolled or have been enrolled in any 4-year or 5-year baccalaureate course or associate course in any college or university. Interested applicants may go to any OWA regional office near them to file their application. Financial assistance amounting to 20,000 pesos per full year. So yan yung pwedeng makuha dyan. No? So yan po, ako si Sir Vince, ang inyong financial guro, nagsasabing ang pagyaman na pag-aaralan at napagtutulungan.